Today, physical and chemical properties of acid. At first, physical property of acid to be discussed. Physical property of carboxylic acids like formic acid, acetic acid, propanolic acid, benzoic acid, etc. Number 1, the physical state. Physical state. It has been seen that the first three compounds or first three members, say formic acid, acetic acid, propanolic acid, these first three members are gases. Then C4 to C9 acids are liquids. C4 to C9 means the acid that contains number of carbon atoms 4. Here number of carbon atoms is 2. So C4 to C9 means butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, etc. Rest acids are solid. So with the increasing molecular weight, the acids become gases to liquids and to solids. This is the physical state. Now we will proceed for solubility. Solubility of acids. Solubility number 2. Solubility of acids. Solubility in water. Most of the acids are soluble in water, but with the increase in molecular weight, that is the increase in size of the alkyl group attached to the carboxylic acid, the solubility decreases. Say formic acid is highly soluble, acetic acid is also highly soluble, but if you go on further, say C6H5COOH, here the bulky hydrocarbon group, which is hydrophobic in character, that means it will not dissolve in water, so it is hydrophobic. So the larger hydrocarbon groups are hydrophobic. Due to larger hydrocarbon groups, the acids which have higher molecular weights are less soluble. Benzoic acid is not soluble even in water. It is soluble only in hot water due to its bulky phenyl group. So solubility decreases with the increase in size of the attached alkyl radical. Number 3 point, boiling point of acids. Boiling point of acids. The boiling point depends on the intermolecular attraction between the atoms or within the molecules of the acid. If you follow the order, first follow the order of boiling point. Order of boiling point that we have read so far: alkane, ether, carbonyl compounds, alcohol, acid. The order of boiling point is this: alkane which have only van der Waals force of attraction has least boiling point. Ether, some van der Waals force and some polarity arises. So ether has higher boiling point than alkane. Carbonyl compound is more polar than ether, so it shows more boiling point than ether. Alcohol, besides boiling point, besides polarity of OH bond, it shows also hydrogen bond. So due to hydrogen bond, it shows higher boiling point than carbonyl compounds. Acids also show hydrogen bond, but the power of hydrogen bond is greater than alcohol. So acid has more boiling point than alcohol. If you compare the structures of alcohol molecules or hydrogen bonding in alcohol and acid, then you will see that this is an alcohol molecule and this is an water molecule. This is another alcohol molecule. Here will be hydrogen bond. This will be plus, this will be minus. So one hydrogen bond is present in two molecules. But if you consider acid, say RC double bond OH, this is another molecules of acid like this. You see the hydrogen bond occurs in two ways within two molecules of acid. So it forms a cyclic dimer, due to which the strength of the molecules of acid has higher than alcohol. So acid shows higher boiling point than alcohol. Now we will go for the order of acidity or the acidity of carboxylic acids. You know carboxylic acids are acid as number 4, acidity. Acidity of carboxylic acids. Acidity arises as the carboxylic acids releases hydrogen ion. This is the carboxylate ion, and this is hydrogen ion. Now, if we consider the stability, it is more stable. The carboxylate ion is more stable than acid due to resonance structures. Due to the resonance structures, the carboxylate ion gets more stability than acid. So acid shows to release hydrogen ion forming carboxylate ion. So the carboxylic acid shows acidic property. Hence it can change the color of litmus paper from blue to red, etc. Shows acidic property, like reaction with alkali forming salt and water in this way. Now the acidity order can be increased or decreased by inductive effect. So if you add CH3COOH, say this is a common acid, and if you take another acid CCl3COOH, if you compare between these two compounds, the acidity order, then you will find that there is a chlorine atom attached to the carbonyl group. This chlorine has minus I effect. Due to minus I effect, the carboxylic acid shows more acidity. So acidity order of acetic acid is less than trichloroacetic acid due to minus I effect. But if we compare acetic acid with trimethyl acetic acid, CH3COOH, here CH3 group has plus I effect, that means electron donating power, and due to this the acidity power decreases. So acetic acid is more acidic than trimethyl acetic acid. So due to the presence of minus I effect, acidity increases, and due to the presence of plus I effect groups, acidity decreases. If you if you arrange the acids according to their acidity order, you will find that like this: CF3 COOH greater than CCl3 COOH greater than HCOOH greater than C6H5COOH greater than CH3COOH greater than CH3 whole 3 COOH. Yeah, fluorine has strong minus I effect than chlorine, so it is the strongest acid, and here it is plus I effect. This is the weakest acid. Formic acid, benzoic acid, and acetic acid. The comparison is very important. Formic acid has no minus I effect or plus I effect, so it has no the acidity will not be disturbed here. But here the minus I and plus R effect. Here benzoic acid, here plus I effect. In CH3 group has a plus I effect. So the acidity of benzoic acid is greater than acetic acid, but its benzoic acid is less than formic acid. This is the acidity order. You should know the order and also the cause behind it. These are the physical properties of acid. Now we will start the chemical properties of acid. Chemical properties of acid. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Chemical property of carboxylic acids.